The 2022 Toyota CHR's design is brimming with personality and curb appeal, but its driving demeanor is as bland as it comes. All models come with a lethargic 4-cylinder engine, a continuously variable automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive isn't an option. Some of the CHR's cheeky exterior design elements even make their way into the cabin, with an asymmetrical dashboard design, shiny black trim, and textured headliner. Toyota has eliminated the affordable base LE trim for 2022, leaving the XLE as the entry point to the lineup. Wind Chill Pearl replaces Blizzard Pearl on the color palette this year and can be had with a black contrast roof color. The XLE comes with plenty of features that most buyers will consider essential, including 18 inches wheels, a proximity key with passive entry, blind spot monitoring, and heated exterior mirrors. Typical Toyota quality abounds inside the CHR's cabin, except for a pair of cheap plastic panels on either side of the center console. The materials throughout the interior seem well chosen and durable. The CHR's 4-cylinder could use a turbocharger or a supercharger or even a big can of Red Bull, as it's incapable of hustling this crossover up to speed with anything approaching enthusiasm. The CHR was only able to muster an 11-second saunter from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and it is significantly slower than most of its rivals. The CHR delivers a ride that is comfortable, but it isn't a standout in this segment. The suspension quickly rebounds after large road imperfections, but hit a stretch of patched or broken pavement at speed. The price of 2022 Toyota CHR starting at $25,345.